One iPhone repair, $179 repair ticket, under an hour. A phone repair tech down the street closed $179 repair ticket today. One job, under an hour. Same tools you own. The difference? The workflow. And here is what stinks. Every time a customer asks for a board work and hears, I don't do that. They don't wait. They walk right next door. You're not missing talent, you are missing the steps. And if you have ever thought, what if I break the board? Good! That fear means you respect the job. Now let's give it a system. We built one in 3 parts. The why, what Apple logged at the chip level. The how, every motion, every temperature on camera. The money, how to price it, explain it, and turn one repair into a handful of referrals. Your customer walks in with 32 gigabytes, walks out with 256 gigabytes. Same phone, same number, same touch ID, 8 times the storage. That's what people talk about. And the math is simple. Around $25 in parts, around $179 on the repair ticket, and that margin is why this skill belongs on your repair menu. One last thing, right now someone in your city is searching iPhone memory upgrade. In 30 days they choose a tech. Is it your shop or the shop of the tech who already finished this course? 38 lessons, 1 weekend. By the end, you'll know the workflow, the risk, and the business side. I'll see you in lesson 1.